G'day viewers, check this out. I'm excited again. Phil Lee from SunRIseCars and Edward Lease. Check out this beautiful baby. This is a rare car. It's a factory manual, not a conversion. Toyota Mark II, and it's in a limited edition model. It's what they call the IR-V Grande model. And to get that in a 5-speed manual is like looking for rocking horse droppings in a kid's toy store. Very hard to find. Check it out. It's the Grande IR-V. This is a fast car. It's a sports car in a family sedan body. It's got the famous 1JZ turbo straight 6 VVTi motor. It's a beautiful, smooth and fast turbocharged 2.5 litre straight 6. It absolutely sings. But this is a special car. Check it out. This is not your average second-hand car. This is something in beautiful condition. It's a mint condition car. 78,000 Ks only. Now these are rare in a manual in Japan, and then when you find one, 9 out of 10 of them are converted. That's how rare they are. People buy the autos and they buy a gearbox and a pedal kit, they change it over. It's never quite the same. This is a factory manual car. Look at this steering wheel. It's in just beautiful condition. And 78,000 Ks. It's just all lovely. It's a non-smoker's car. There's no marks on the dash. All the interior is beautiful. These velour seats are super comfy. It's got an electric driver's seat. It's a very subtle badging here. Heaps of room in the back, and it's got a massive boot as well. This is the sort of car that we call a sleeper. It's a very fast car and it just does it effortlessly. It's got a storage bin in the back there. All the original tools, spare tyre, all in place. Beautiful pearl white too. It's a real sparkling white. I'll put this in the shade because it makes a better video, but in the sunlight it's a beautiful sparkling pearl. There's a little glimpse of it there. It's a lovely colour. This really, it's the new version of the Chaser. It's lighter than a Chaser with the same power plant, same rear wheel drive format.